Welcome to Mega Luxury. I'm excited to share with you today how to become a billionaire. With the right mindset, strategies, and hard work, it is possible to achieve this level of success. In this video, we'll dive into the world of billionaires, discuss their thinking and actions, and share the principles they use to build wealth and empires. We'll also give you practical advice to start your journey towards billionaire status. But it's not only about money, it's about living a good life, having a sense of purpose, building a legacy, and achieving financial stability. Whether you're a beginner entrepreneur or an experienced business person, this video is for you. Join me as we explore the path to becoming a billionaire. Tip number 1: identify a profitable market. Finding a profitable market is the first step to building a successful business and achieving financial success. It's important to look for markets that are expanding or underserved, as these tend to have the most potential for growth and profitability. Consider your own interests and expertise when identifying a market, as your passion and knowledge in a particular area can be a powerful asset. Remember that identifying a profitable market is not just about the present, it's about the future potential as well. Tip #2: develop a unique value proposition. Once you have identified a market, it's crucial to develop a unique value proposition that sets your business apart from competitors. This could be a new product or service, a unique business model, or a proprietary technology. The key here is to provide something that is truly different and valuable to your customers, which will help you to stand out in a crowded market and attract more business. Tip #3: build a strong team. Building a strong team is crucial for the success of your business and is especially important for achieving billionaire status. A team of talented and dedicated individuals can help to ensure that your business runs smoothly and that your goals are met. Building a team requires not only finding the right people, but also building a strong culture of trust and collaboration. Tip #4: be willing to take risks. Becoming a billionaire often requires taking calculated risks. Be willing to invest in your business, even if it means taking on debt or giving up equity. It is important to understand that great rewards usually come with great risks. The key is to calculate the risk and make sure it's worth it. Tip #5: be persistent. Success as an entrepreneur often comes down to perseverance. Entrepreneurship is not a linear path, and it's full of roadblocks, failures, and setbacks. The important thing is not to let them discourage you, and don't give up on your goals. Stay focused and motivated, and continue to push forward in the face of adversity. Believe in yourself and your vision, and never give up on achieving your dreams. Tip #6: learn from others. To become a billionaire, you need to learn from the best. Seek out the advice and mentorship of entrepreneurs who have already achieved success. Learn from their experiences, study their strategies, and apply their insights to your own business. By learning from others, you can avoid common pitfalls, adopt proven techniques, and accelerate your path to success. Tip #7: be innovative and open to change. The business world is constantly evolving, and the key to success is being able to adapt to change. Be innovative, embrace new technologies, and be open to new ideas. By constantly seeking out new opportunities, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and create value for your customers. Entrepreneurs who are willing to take risks, try new things, and think outside the box are often the ones who achieve the most success. Tip #8: continuously educate yourself. Successful billionaires never stop learning. Whether through formal education or on-the-job training, continuous learning is essential for staying competitive and adapting to change. By continuously learning, you'll be able to stay current with the latest trends and technologies, and you'll be in a better position to identify new opportunities and take advantage of them. Continuous education will give you an edge over others and make you a better entrepreneur. In conclusion, becoming a billionaire is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of talent, hard work, and a bit of luck. However, by following certain strategies and principles, you can increase your chances of achieving great financial success and making a real impact in the world. To begin with, it is essential to identify profitable markets and develop a unique value proposition that sets your business apart from the competition. Building a strong team of dedicated and talented individuals is crucial for the success of your business. You must also be willing to take risks and be persistent in the face of challenges. Additionally, networking and making strategic partnerships can open doors to new opportunities and help to mitigate risk. Investing for the long term in assets like stocks, real estate, and profitable business can be a powerful way to build wealth. In today's fast-paced business environment, it is crucial to stay ahead of trends and continuously innovate to meet the changing needs of customers. Continuously educating yourself, whether through formal education or on-the-job training, is essential to staying competitive and adapting to change. While becoming a billionaire is certainly a desirable outcome, it is not the ultimate goal in life. The focus should be on building a business that creates value for others, leads a good life with a sense of purpose, and builds a legacy. Achieving financial stability is also an important aspect to consider. The information shared in this video can be a great starting point to help you on your journey to financial success and making a real impact in the world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found the content valuable. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content and updates.